Hello everyone, welcome to Gate Academy. How are you all? I suppose you all are doing well. So in this video series, now I am going to discuss about the post-GATE guidance program regarding IIT Delhi. So Indian Institute of Technology Delhi. In the past two videos, I have discussed about IIT Kharagpur and IIT Bombay. So now we are going to start our discussion on IIT Delhi. First of all, you can see the beautiful picture of IIT Delhi, one of the best colleges of India, okay, one of the best institute of India. So, in this video, I am going to discuss about the important dates, that is online registration dates, interview date, written test date, each and everything I am going to discuss. Regarding the application fees, if you are applying online, then how much application fees you have to pay, eligibility criteria, specialization for civil department only, because I am going to discuss about civil engineering. Next is cutoff, depending upon the previous gate, MTech fees and some important points, okay. So first of all, we are talking about the post-GATE guidance program, the important dates which you have to keep in mind if you are applying for IIT Delhi. So the opening of website for online application. So last year, that means after GATE 2021, the online application started from 24th of March 2021. But this year, it has already been started from 14th March. So from 14th March, the online application for IIT Delhi has already been started. From 14th March, the registration for IIT Delhi has already been started. Last year, the end date was 10th of April 2021. But this year, the final date is 11th of April. This year, the final date is 11th of April 2022. So from 14th March till 11th of April, the online application can be done. And you all know that dates are going to extend, but don't think about that. It will be better for you to apply within these parameters only, okay? Suitability test or interview for the relevant candidate. So now you are being shortlisted based upon your GATE score. The next thing you have to do, you have to give a written test. Then based upon the written test, your performance on written test, one interview will be scheduled. Last year and GATE 2020 also, this thing didn't happen because of Corona. But this year, there is a possibility that you have to give an interview and you have to give one written test also. For that also, a tentative date has been announced by IIT Delhi. For this also, the tentative date has been announced by IIT Delhi. So, your suitability test and interview is going to be from 16th of May. Oh, okay, sorry, this is 2021. Na? So, from 16th of May till 24th of June, the written exam, also the interview will be finished within these conditions. After that, you are going to start your college campus, okay? So, this year there is a possibility that the written test and interview also you have to give, because things are getting normalized. But if by chance any corona wave comes or something happens, then there may be a change in these terms, okay? But till now the dates have been given by IIT Delhi. Okay. So after this, any spot round is there. So after the 3 counselings, if any spot round is there, then it will be notified to you. Last year it was from mid of July, okay? The last year it was mid of July. Now, when you are applying for IIT Delhi, the minimum fees, application fees that you have to pay, compulsory application fees that you have to pay is rupees 300 for general, EWS, OBC, male candidates, okay? So for male, ladkon ke liye, you have to pay rupees 300. Now, for female candidates under the same category, 50% of 300, that is rupees 150 you have to pay if you are a female candidate. SC, ST and PWD candidates also they have to pay rupees 150. So minimum this amount you have to pay while doing the registration. So first of all, get registered yourself in COPS. Then you have to register for IIT Delhi based upon your 3 years GATE score, whichever you think this will be better for me, okay? Now, this table is very important. Now, I will be giving you the idea regarding MTech also, that is TA. I will be giving the idea regarding RA. I will be giving the idea regarding PhD. So, MTech, the basic background you should have is BTech. Basic background you should have is BTech with 60%, or if you are SC/ST candidate, minimum 55% you should get. GATE is definitely required. GATE is definitely required, and you can get the offer in Common Offer Acceptance Portal. We will make a separate video regarding how you should register for COAP. Okay. Any that that you should have is less than 8 points, less than or equal to 8 for SC/ST, 7.5, or minimum point you should have is 8. 7.5 is the minimum point for SC/ST category. Here also GATE is required. Here also GATE is required. Now, in other IITs it is known as MS, but for IIT Delhi it is known as MTech Research Assistantship. Okay, for IIT Delhi it is known as MTech. In other colleges they directly call it as MS. So MS is a 3-year program, MTech is a 2-year program. So I will give you more idea regarding this also. So minimum BTech you should have with a 60%, and SC/ST they should have a 55%. Here also GATE is required. Here also GATE is required. So BTech with a centrally funded institute of CGPA less than or equal to 8, you should give GATE exam. If it is exactly 8 or less than 8, if it is exactly 8 or more than 8, then definitely GATE exam is not required. Okay, then you have to check this in IIT website. So only for MTech you have to register yourself in COAPS, but for MS or PhD you should visit the IIT website, because most of the notifications are being shown in the IIT website only. Sometimes they will mail you, sometimes they will not mail you. Okay, so it's better for you to make a thumbnail or make a just save the link of that particular page, so that it's very easy for you to come every now and then. You can check if they are not mailing you anything. Okay, so IIT website or mail is going to give you the idea regarding RA and PhD. Got the point? So if you are interested in PhD, minimum MTech is required. Minimum MTech is required. 60% is the eligibility criteria, or 55% as you all know, or MSc is required. Any master's degree is required before proceeding towards PhD. So before going towards PhD, you should have a master's degree, any master's degree like MTech, MSc, or MSc from any centrally funded technical institute. This also you can check from IIT website. Okay, don't rely that they will mail you. You have to check the IIT website every now and then. Okay, these are the core branches of civil engineering in which IIT Delhi is offering MTech. Apart from them, various interdisciplinary branches are also there that you can see from the COAPS website also, where while registering in the COAPS, he will give you the options in which of the branches in IIT Delhi you can apply. So these are the core branches. See, structural engineering, water resource, transportation, geotechnical and geo-environmental, both are being linked over here. Construction engineering and management, environmental engineering, rock engineering, and underground structure. Okay, so these are the core branches. Alright, so this is the basic cutoff score only for 2018, because 19, 20 and 21, this was not there in the IIT Delhi website. So sorry for it. I can only bring the previous data of GATE 2018. Okay, you can see structural engineering, the minimum cutoff in IIT Delhi was 848, talking about general category. Okay, minimum cutoff was 848. For water resource, minimum cutoff was 725. You can see the cutoff is quite high. And as I have told you, this construction engineering is now given a very good weightage. This is the core branch. The cutoff is very high, 833. So after structural engineering, the highest cutoff is for construction technology and management. Similarly, for environmental engineering, 735 is the cutoff. So management means solid waste management and liquid waste management are also being included over here. Environmental engineering plus management of waste is also being included over here. So rock engineering and underground structure, okay, it's a good branch. The minimum cutoff was 712. तो ये सारी चीजें आपको पता होनी चाहिए. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि जनरल कैटेगरी में काफी अच्छा स्कोर है. And you can see over here that after structural engineering, the good branch is 833. So if you are having a good GATE score, okay, instead of going into other branches, you can apply for this branch also. Comparatively, it's a good branch. Okay, now this is the fees for MTech. So I'm talking about MTech. This MTech MS RA, students receiving the institute project assistantship or teaching position holders. Okay, tuition fees is 10,000. Other fees, this you have to pay in, other fees means semester fees. Semester fees is 16,450. This tuition fees you have to pay during initial period. Okay, while doing the registration or while going into the campus for fulfilling all the document verification. At that time you have to fill this much amount of fees. This is the hostel fees. If I sum up all together, 36,950. Now if you are not residing inside the hostel, you are residing somewhere else, then this 10,500 is not required. Okay. Now for SC, ST and PWD category, directly you have to pay a fees of 26,950. So this fees is including hostel. If you are not living inside the hostel, then you should ignore this charge also. So if you are an SC, ST candidate, tuition fees is also ignored, hostel fees is also ignored if you are not in the hostel. Directly this much of fees you have to pay, semester fees only you have to pay. So as I have told you, good and old IITs are offering MTech or offering semester in a very less amount, okay, as compared to new IITs and NITs. Now I am talking about RA. RA means MS, but in IIT Delhi it is known as MTech RA. Here you have to pay a total fees of 64,950. Definitely it is a 3-year program, so fees will be comparatively more. But one condition is there, semester fees comparatively will be less. This is the overall fees I am telling you. Semester fees is going to be less. Also the gate cutoff score as compared to that of MTech, that will also be less. So you can go for MS also. That is, you can go for research assistantship also, RA. Okay. But the difference come in the matter that MTech is 2-year program, RA is 3-year program. So in MTech the very first year is given for the coursework, second year is given for the research work. For RA, the first year will be given for the coursework and the rest of the 2 years is dedicated totally towards research oriented work. Okay. So there you have to concentrate more on research, but that will be beneficial for you if you are planning to do PhD in future. Now talking about TA, you know MTech is a 2-year duration work. Course work is there for the first year and thesis work for the second year. Cutoff score is very high as you have seen. Okay, and there is a possibility that this year interview and written test will be there. I have told you the date also, 16th May to 24th June. Guide selection will be done later on. In MTech I am talking about. Guide selection will be done later on, maybe after first year or in the mid semester of first year. So this all you have to do. If you are having a good thesis background, if you have done a good thesis work, definitely your placement chances will be really high. And from these old IITs, definitely you are going to get placement. But you are having a good thesis work, that is beneficial for you. Okay? Just have a good relation with your guide also. He will also help you out. He will also help you out for your future benefits. Okay? Moving further. This was regarding MTech. Now I am talking about RA. So in IIT Delhi it is MTech RA. In other IITs it is MS. So I have written this for you. This is a 3-year durationship, as I have told you. The first year is dedicated for the coursework, theory work you have to do, and the rest of the 2 years you have to do the thesis work or research work. Gate score cutoff is high, but it is low as compared to that of TA. This I have told you. You have to do, here also you have to do one written paper and one additional interview will be there. But the thing is, after the interview only the guide will be assigned. After the interview only the guide will be assigned to you. Now if you are selected for the college, then and there only the guide will be assigned to you. Then he has to work for industrial project, but this option is good if you are planning to do PhD. And placement offer is more as compared to that of TA. So a good, really good research background, because 2 years you are dedicating for your research work, better as compared to that of MTech. If you are totally interested in thesis work, if you are totally interested in research work, and in future if you are planning to do what? PhD. So these were the basic information. I have told you the dates also. From 14th March it started already. It is going to end till 11th of March. Okay, take note of the dates. And the written test and interview is going to be held on 16th May to 24th of June. That is tentative date. So for any other information, you can visit the official website of IIT Delhi. So this information is sufficient for you, I suppose. I wish you all the best and may you succeed in your life. Thank you.